Dalawa po.
Oh, may sasakyan na.
Ano, 50, 60 po.
Mahirap maubos. Ah.
Dito talaga ang kanyan. Original.
Ang dami.
Kaya nga suklayan yan ang ginukos eh.
Kuryente.
Oo nga.
Walang premat.
Kuha kayo. Talaga?
We were going on the Bangi with meals, but we suddenly got stuck on the sand because Waze took us on a risky route.
Hindi na nakaayos yung kabila.
We were worried that we wouldn't be able to get the car out of the sand and might end up stuck there for the whole afternoon.
Tumatama na siya sa pat ni Django. Nagaganon mo. Yeah, we're stuck. Bye. It's hot also.
No way, we're gonna abandon and go back home. We're just walking out of nowhere.
We're not gonna walk, bro. We're gonna get out of here, whether we like it or not. Although we're in like
Once I look at the sand, I realized also there was a
Where?
bad feeling. Not a bad feeling. It's like a quicksand thing.
we're gonna go hiking. Look. No, it's just a joke. We're gonna go down. Holy. Baby Sally. Here's the track, guys.
Jungle will be okay.
Yeah, jungle will be okay.
It's already big though. By the sand, I'm gonna kill you.
Look at our tires, bro. Oh, wait, this end of tires. Look at me. Haba ng ulo. Guys, on our way. Yeah.
Pasit. Boots.
Hello vlog. We're eating here at JD's Eatery. So, what's up?
Ano?
Ayun pala ulam mo.
Ang favorite ulam ni Yuna?
Wala.
Itlog.
Itlog.
Itlog!
So,
Ay, na-cute. Ito sa'yo cute.
Extra rice na tayo.
Mag-eat muna kami.
Mag-extra rice na tayo.
Bye-bye. So, we're done eating. Look. Ubos. Lahat. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam pa. Hindi ko alam. Oh, hindi namin alam mapupuntahan namin yun. Okay? Busy sila sa cellphone. Tingnan nyo guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, diba? Nagsa-cellphone sila. Oh my God. So, see you on the ride. And ano. Do you guys have any questions? Hmm? Do you guys have any questions? Okay, well, dun na lang sa ride. Bye-bye. Hi guys, pero nung doon siya. Tingnan nyo guys. Mountains. The little mountains. And there's a little... Huh? So, see you on the ride. Mag-aalis na kami. I mean, mag-iiin na lang kami. So, bye! Paano mag-ano doon? Ay, okay. Bye, yeah. So, yung mga pagkain, ubos na agad, oh. Oh, wow. Hindi. Ito lang yung mga kinain ko. Yan. At egg. Oh, sino yung mga nagkakain? Ito? 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 At ito? Ay, wait.
Yeah, bro.
At ito pala. Hindi nakita. At si Papa din nandun. Nagsi-CR. So, ako... So, ako...
Wait lang guys, we're gonna take a minute break.
Bye! So, just finished eating, guys. Yeah. So, ubos lahat, as usual. So, let's go to the vehicle. Yeah. So, let's go! I'm So, don't mind what I'm saying. Okay. You need the mic. I don't need the mic. Be someone.
Very much recommended. It was yummy. How many rice you eat?
1.
How many rice you eat?
1 only because I'm on diet. 1 and 1/4.
So, ako ay 1 lang.
One lang. Latte.
So, I don't eat that much. Yeah.
I ate 3 cups, guys.
Ooh! This fat!
I ate 3 cups. Next stop
My
is
sister is very weird.
At-
Sorry.
4:18 p.m. It's currently 1:56 pa lang. So, medyo malayo to. Okay, bye guys.
I'm a Ali.
Oh, bye-bye ka na.
Bye, my little followers. Bye-bye. See you on the next video. Bye. See you on the next video.
Sarap ulit ko dyan. Oo, okay. Ang sarap nga ho. Pakawalan mo lang sa iyo na dyan ho.
Diyan na sila. Cottage ba yun? O doon sila nakatira?
Cottage lang mami.
Ay, ang ilog.
Ito, 10 pesos para bigat mo. Wala sa akin, nasa bag.
Bibili pala tayo ng tripod na gano'n, no? Parang lagayan ito ng phone, ng... Oh.
Hindi mo na tayo sarap.
Bili na lang natin. Hi! Sap! Ito po yung ito. Nasaan po ang aming food? Charot! BBBM! Dito muna tayo sa baba. Tapos may carrot cake, no? Parang hindi ba
Swimming pool pala sila.
Ay, may swimming pool. Ay, oo nga, no?
Sayang. Ay, okay. Ito nga pala yung sinaunang ano. Over sa 100.
Ganun ka.
Yes, this was on my shoe the whole time.
Sorry again.
Helen. Don't touch the bottom part.
And
Wow.
That's a big one. Bitch. I bought tempura. Yuna, I bought tempura. She bought Coke. Yuna bought lychee juice. Kinang berlu. Mommy has like chips. So, dadaanan na lang daw namin ni Papa is book. Yeah. We're done. Next destination,
Vegan.
Vegan. See you there.
Saan naman
Be,
Ah.
sabi niya sa akin, occupied na daw. Tapos, tinatry ko sa Agoda, pwede pa. Ang ino-offer niya sa akin yung detox room.
Welcome Mark.
Saan tayo mag-support?
Saan ka ba?
Yan ang hati.
Saan ka ba? Kapark ka na?